In this tutorial, we learn to develop simple serial numbers. Serialized information can be auto-generated within WaveRunner, imported using external files, and allows for custom formats. Serial numbers may be present as human-readable text or as barcodes. 2D text and barcodes are covered in their own video lessons and may be referred to as necessary. Let's begin by selecting the serialization tool in the toolbar. Move the mouse to the selected position in the workspace and left-click the mouse. The serial number property page becomes available and offers a number of features. The first field is grayed out and shows the actual value of the current serial number. Start value is the value that we want to start with for our purposes. Let's start with 0001. Now click Apply. Notice that the value on the screen is 1 and is missing the leading 3 zeros. Since there are 4 digits, we need to set minimum digits to 4 and click Apply. Notice that the value on the screen is still a single digit and is missing the leading 3 zeros. Now select the radio button, Show Leading Zeros, followed with clicking on the Apply button once again. We see now that all 4 digits are shown on the screen. Great! Now let's try incrementing by 1. We set the increment value to 1 and click Apply. To test this, we can left-click the increment button and observe our serial number increasing by a value of 1 each time. And if we press the decrement button, we see the reverse is also true. And reset brings us back to the start value. We can increment by any amount, for example, counting by 5. Beat count. If left at 1, the serial number will increment by the defined incremental value with each mark job command. If another value is used, such as 3, the serial number will increment when 3 mark job command have been received, as seen in the video. Reset count. A value of 0 disables this feature. If another value is used, such as 4, the serial number will increment as defined by the increment value and beat value with each mark job command received, but will reset to the start value once the 4th mark job command is received, and the 8th, 16th, and so on. Now, this is very important. The beat count and the mark count are separate functions. What this means is simply this. If a start value of 1 is used with a beat count of 2 and a reset count of 3, the serial number will increment on the first and second mark job commands received, and then reset back to 1 when the 3rd mark job is received. But if the reset count value is smaller than the beat count or even equal to it, for example 1, 2, and 2, we see competition between the two settings. The serial number value never increments to a value greater than 1 because it resets back to the start value as soon as it is incremented. So be careful. If you want to generate serial numbers from external files, please refer to our video tutorial on that topic, as well as the video tutorial on custom formats. This ends the tutorial on the serial numbers.